Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
The DS9 is a big hybrid saloon that will account for a tiny 0.02% of UK new car sales. That's because it wears the unfamiliar badge of French premium brand DS automobiles, and must compete in the executive four-door market with King Kong and Godzilla, aka the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes E-Class. But DS reckons its recipe of idiosyncratic design, more generous equipment levels than rivals and obsessive delivery of comfort and tranquility should carve out a micro-niche. Read on to find out whether the DS9 deserves to. More detail please. Engines, prices, range. The 9 will only be available as a 4.9m long saloon. Unlike its BMW and Audi rivals, there won't be a 5-door estate. No diesel engines either. The base powerplant is a 222 bhp turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol, complemented by 2 plug-in hybrids, with 222 bhp or 355 bhp in all-wheel drive. The range structure is nice and simple too. Performance line plus costs from £40,615, and its sporty features number alcantara-trimmed seats, aluminium pedals and a matte black front grille. The alternative is Rivoli Plus, from £44,715, which majors on luxury and technology. It includes leather seats with a massage and cooling function, manoeuvring camera with a 360 field of vision and level 2 driver assistance to stop, start and keep you in lane in highway traffic. Let's Get Driving. DS expects the 222 bhp plug-in hybrid to be its bestseller. Business users will dominate the customer base, partly lured by the low-emissions hybrid's reduced company car tax. That's the car we're driving in Rivoli Plus spec. I'd be tempted to upgrade it to Opera trim, for £3,000, which brings burgundy or black leather upholstery, with chunky interconnecting blocks resembling the links on a watch strap. A lovely touch. The hybrid, or E-Tense in DS marketing speak, has an 11.9 kWh lithium-ion battery, which can supply up to 34 miles of zero-emissions driving in electric mode. Petrol power, e-motor power or a combination of both is sent strictly to the front wheels via the 8-speed automatic transmission. The 9 pulls away in hushed electric-only mode, with 17 miles of EV range displayed on the digital driver's instrument panel. The speedo reads blue if you're running on e-power, white when the combustion engine is engaged. How comfortable is the DS9? First task is to assess the 9's ride quality by sticking it in comfort mode. Aside from the 222 bhp petrol performance line plus, all cars get DS active scan suspension. A camera looks out over that gauche bonnet-mounted saber, scanning the road so the AI brain can instantly stiffen or slacken the damping force to optimize occupant comfort. And the 9 genuinely flows down the A329 towards tame, taking bumps and potholes in its stride. But the silky comfort doesn't come at the expense of body control. The ride is not unsettlingly floaty. Thanks for watching.